Welcome to the third instructional video of your PestScan trial period. We hope you have been actively creating work orders in PestScan. If not, please revisit our previous videos where we explain how to do this. Today's video focuses on the customer portal, which is designed to help your clients meet all regulatory requirements. Let's start by showing you how to navigate to the customer portal of an individual client from the Office software. In the top left corner of the main menu, you'll find a search bar. Enter the name of the client you wish to access and press the Edit button. This brings us to the customer card, where all locations created for this client are listed. At the top, there are several menu items related to this client. Through the Account menu, you can create user accounts for your client. Each client should have at least one main account, but you can add an unlimited number of additional accounts. Under Certifications, you can add specific certificates that are relevant to this client. On the Settings page, you can define which data should be visible to your client. Additionally, you can allow your client to create and approve recommendations. Now, let's switch to the customer portal by clicking Switch to Customer Site in the top right corner. Upon entering the customer portal, you'll see all the general information about your company at the top. On the left, you'll find all the menu items that you could set up in the client card through Settings. Let's first take a look at the Reports menu. Here, you can find all the visits that have taken place, and you can open a report for each visit. You also have the option to create reports on observations, material consumption, and a periodic summary. Now, we are in the Material Consumption report. You can filter by location, pest category, or product over a specified period. Moving on to the Statistics page, here you'll find all the recorded activities at a location. These include all checkpoints and their associated catches, bait consumption, or motion activity. From the line chart, you can click through to the respective visit reports. We will now explain and show the recommendations. The recommendations made at this location have a status, priority, and sometimes a due date. This client has the rights to edit a recommendation. We open one recommendation and see its contents, possibly with photos added by the technician. You can also always see changes that have been made under log entries. The alarm status indicates the status of the location, whether green, orange, or red. Through Activity Thresholds, you can view the threshold values set for specific zones on the map or for checkpoints. Threshold values are established at the beginning of the IPM process in consultation with the client. In Checkpoints, you see all active checkpoints for this location. Under Documents, you can view all the documents you have added for this client, plus the general documents that must be shown to all your clients. Through the Planning schedule, your client has the ability to view all scheduled and completed visits. Thank you for your attention.